Hi there, students. To stick at something, a phrasal verb. So it means to keep trying to do it, to keep at it, don't give up, even though it's difficult, even though it's problematic. So I know learning to play the piano is difficult, but stick at it and you will see a lot of improvement. If you get depressed learning English, stick at it, because things will get better. Don't give up. Stick at it. Don't stop. Yeah, I want you to stick at the activity, to stick at the task, even though it's difficult. You're going to find this really difficult to do at last, but stick at it. Don't give up. Don't stop. Now also be careful, we have a phrase, stick at nothing. And this really is the opposite way round. Here, stick means stop. Maybe you're playing 21, pontoon, 21, yeah? And they give you cards and your cards need to add up to 21. Yeah, when you get to about 18, you don't want any more cards and you stick. You say no more cards, to stick, to maintain your position. So don't hold your position at anything, stick at nothing. Do absolutely everything possible. Don't stop. So stick at nothing to achieve your ambitions. Stick at nothing to improve your situation in life. Yeah, don't let anything stop you. Stick at it, keep going, keep trying. Yeah, don't give up. Yeah. He has an inability to stick at anything. He has an inability to continue doing, to be continuous. So in this case, he doesn't stick at nothing. He sticks at everything. He stops at everything. So stick at it, to continue constantly. Yeah, stick at it, keep at it, persevere with it, persist with it, continue with it, press on with it, soldier on with it. Have no qualms about continuing with. Yeah, to pursue it, to stay with it. Yeah, don't give up. So to stick at something, to keep practicing a skill, even though it's difficult. If you want to do this well, you're going to have to stick at it. Yeah, don't give up. Yeah, don't find an excuse and say that's enough. Just stick at it. The degree course was really difficult, and he found it very difficult to stick at it, to keep going with it. Yeah, not to give up. Notice, to stick, an irregular verb. He stuck at it. He has stuck at it. Okay, and then formality. To stick at it, stick at something. I think I'd give this a 4 in formality. Use it in an informal conversation, sounds great. Could you use it in a semi-formal writing? Maybe, but it's a bit informal. Keep trying. Constancy, something like that. And then as to origin, okay, it comes from to stick, as in glue, sticks, yeah? Stick two things together. Yeah, so don't come unstuck. Yeah? And then the origin of this is from from a Middle English word sticken, yeah, or an Old English word sticken, meaning to pierce, to be fastened, yeah, from Proto-Germanic stikona, to pierce or to be sharp, yeah. So yeah, I guess to stick on, it's got this idea of stick, the glue sticks, you impale it in the wall. Okay, so stick at your English, don't give up. Yeah, stick at it a little bit every day and you will see massive improvement. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So stick at it.